Navigating prepositions in restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another insightful session. Today, we will be delving into an advanced concept in English grammar, restrictive and non-restrictive clauses with prepositions. We've learned about relative clauses before, and today, we are going to take it a step further, exploring how prepositions are used in these clauses. Don't worry if this sounds a bit complex. We'll take it step by step. Before we delve into the new material, let's quickly revisit the concept of restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Remember, a restrictive clause provides essential information about the noun it modifies. It is integral to the meaning of the sentence and is not set off by commas. In contrast, a non-restrictive clause provides additional, non-essential information about the noun. This type of clause is usually set off by commas, parentheses, or dashes. Now that we've refreshed our understanding of relative clauses, let's move on to the concept of prepositions. These are words that establish relationships between other words or phrases within a sentence, often indicating location, direction, time, or manner. The trickier part? These prepositions sometimes come at the end of the clause. Consider this example. This is the park at which I met my best friend. Here, the preposition at is used with the relative pronoun which to introduce the relative clause. Let's dive into how prepositions function within restrictive clauses. These clauses are necessary to the sentence, so the preposition's relationship is essential too. Here's an example. The book that I'm reading on is really fascinating. The preposition on connects reading with book, thus forming a restrictive clause that provides necessary information about the book. Moving forward to non-restrictive clauses with prepositions, remember that these clauses provide additional information. Consider this sentence. My brother, for whom I bought a gift, is turning 30. The clause, for whom I bought a gift, is a non-restrictive clause. The preposition, for, precedes the relative pronoun, whom, giving additional information about the brother. Time for some practice. I'll give you sentences, and you'll identify the prepositions and whether the relative clause is restrictive or non-restrictive. 1. The chair in which he was sitting was quite comfortable. 2. My sister, with whom I share a flat, is an artist. 3. The car that I drove in was brand new. We've come to the end of our journey through the use of prepositions in restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Remember, the key is practice. Make sure to continue exercising these concepts, and they'll become second nature. Hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy learning!